inside is completely rocking. Right inside, what's happening? Fitness. Okay, let's start with baby steps. How many of you believe that walking is a great way to fitness? Come on. दोस्तों के साथ walk पे कितने लोग घूमने जाते हैं? Sutta break, this break, that break, lots of other breaks, chai breaks. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, a very, very warm welcome, and let me welcome each and every one of you to this very special campaign today, which is all about fitness. And Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company has partnered with Fraternity for a campaign, hashtag Walk Pe Chal Mission Moon. Now, actually, which is, spearheading this whole idea, please let me call someone extremely special. He is a charismatic leader, very, very dynamic. I mean, if I was to really take lessons from him on, whether it's being fit, whether it's about making money, whether it's about really succeeding in life, I think he is the guru that we all need in our lives. He is somebody who's very, very energetic with transformative and challenging ideas to constantly inspire us. He was recently awarded CEO of the Year at Annual Insurance India Summit and Awards 2019. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise. Let's give him a very, very warm welcome. Mr. Ashish Vora, CEO, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance.
All right, good evening, everyone. A lot of what was being introduced was correct, but some was incorrect. I haven't made as much money yet. So there is a bit of a challenge out there on that side.
Thank you. That was very short and sweet. I actually have a question before we move on. I wonder why your T-shirt is slightly loose. I mean, is that the first thing, walking is what has led to?
Yes, they took my measurement a week ago. And in the last 1 week, since we launched this whole challenge, I walked a whole lot, and my T-shirt is weak.
And how many steps have you walked so far?
I have walked 70,000 steps in the last 4 days.
Whoa!
And I have evidence to show on that.
Brilliant. And, this campaign is all about style, staying fit. Of course, when you're fit, you feel confident. When you're confident, you can, that whole attitude of glamour comes in. And of course, you all know that Malaika, who's partnered with us for this beautiful campaign, has been a front runner for fitness for years. I think I haven't seen anyone who's been so committed, so passionate towards fitness for such a number of years. And she's such an inspiration, not just to, I think, everyone from the film industry, but I think across India. She really inspires people to take care of themselves, look good, feel good, and to continue, really doing great with your life. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me call the diva in the house who's here with us. Please, with all your heart, let's put a big, big round of applause for Malaika, who's here with us. Let's welcome her on stage. Small token of our gratitude for partnering with us on this campaign. This song, ladies and gentlemen, is a song which has really broken barriers across the world. For the way you've danced, the way you've looked, this song has, really resonated with people across different cinemas, not just Indian cinema. And my first question to you is...
Actually, firstly, good evening, everybody. Before you ask me my question, I think, like you said, Chal Chhaiya Chhaiya, I've been doing... This is Chal Walk Pe Chal. I've been doing Chhaiya Chhaiya. There is a similarity if you go to see. So I have been doing many steps since then. So by now I must have clocked
100 crores. You've been to the moon and back.
Enough and more to the moon and back.
She's already been to the moon and back. So, of course, you've been so passionate about fitness. You've, whether it's Pilates, yoga, different sort of gym workouts. How delighted and how excited are you to really partner with this campaign, which is Walk Pichal Mission Moon, all about walking towards fitness?
Well, firstly, on the onset, I'd like to applaud and congratulate Reliance Nippon Life Insurance, Walk Pichal Mission Moon, powered by Fraternity, on such an amazing initiative. I think it's fantastic. Anybody who knows me, anybody even who remotely knows me, knows my passion towards being fit, towards spreading an awareness towards when it comes to fitness. So I'd like to first congratulate you, your entire team, on such a wonderful initiative. So huge round of applause to each one of you in the room. I think you had said earlier about, protection and longevity and things. I think all of that completely resonates with me when it comes to life insurance. And I think a fit life, not just mind and body, I think it really allows you to achieve so much more in life. It gives you that impetus to be better, to achieve more. And I think that purely comes from a fit mind and body. I mean, everything, you may have all of it in life. I mean, by the grace of God, you may have everything, but I think if you don't have a fit mind and body, everything else pales in comparison. So it starts there. I think that's the fundamental, basis to start anything or do anything. So really, I think this is a fantastic initiative. I feel proud and happy that I can be part of it here with you all today.
Let's give a big, big round of applause to Malaika.